Watch bands. Today I'll be going over the most popular watch band materials, along with a couple pros and cons for each one. And we'll do that right after this intro. A proper watch band is an essential companion for any watch, and switching it out is an easy way to experiment with a whole new style. A large assortment of straps will make a small collection of watches look truly enormous. Of course, when selecting the type of watch band material, you need to factor in quality. With that being said, stainless steel will not only last quite a long time when left in its natural luster, but it's also durable and affordable, and is the most favorite material for both men and women. Stainless steel comes in many shades, from untreated to polished or even with colored coatings. These bands are lightweight and highly corrosion resistant. Stainless steel items are made from iron-carbon alloy mixed with chromium and nickel. More affordable than other metals, stainless steel is a great option for both dressy and sporty watches. Titanium watch bands are lightweight and tough. Titanium is about half the weight of steel but is almost 30% stronger. Titanium is a great metal for luxury sport and utility watches. Titanium is dent and corrosion resistant, as well as 100% hypoallergenic, so it is good for those with allergies to metals. Interestingly enough, titanium is not accompanied by a high price tag, as it is generally more affordable than metals like gold, platinum, and palladium. However, because of the material's hardness, it is difficult to work with and manufacture precise pieces, so it drives up the cost of elements made of this material. Solid gold bracelets aren't used very often in the watchmaking industry, and in my opinion, you should probably avoid them altogether. As gold is quite dense, the cases and bands made with the material may be quite heavy. For this reason, watchmakers tend to use alternative materials and add gold plating on top. For example, gold-plated bracelets imply a base metal, usually steel, which is then electroplated with gold. This is something you should generally try to avoid, as the coloring almost always tends to rub off with time, and the durability is generally a limitation. One factor many people don't take into consideration is allergies. If you do suffer from an allergy to gold, obviously you're going to be better off with a different kind of material. Gold alloys are also used in order to create different shades of gold. Pure gold alloyed with silver and copper produces yellow gold, while combined with nickel, copper, and palladium, sometimes zinc, leads to a white shade of gold, and when alloyed with copper and silver, generates the red-pink gold. Platinum. Generally used at 95% purity, this metal resists well abrasion. In fact, when a platinum surface gets scratched, this material just gets displaced instead of being removed and lost like in other materials. For this reason, platinum bands will last many years, as scratches can easily be polished to bring the surface to original status, showing beauty more than age. Another great advantage, just like titanium, it is hypoallergenic, so it is great for people with sensitive skin and allergies. Ceramic watches are durable, lightweight, and modern. Many people think of pottery or cookware when they hear the word ceramics, but the material used in watch bands is slightly different than those used in fragile cookware. The watchmaking material is synthetic and known as high-tech ceramic. This more durable product is made by firing and glazing other synthetic materials, such as aluminum, silicon carbide, yttrium, and zirconium. Powdered raw materials are placed inside a cast, then heated to extreme temperatures, making the material highly scratch resistant. Skilled technicians then finish the material, giving it either a shiny metallic effect, which is done through hand polishing, or a matte finish, which is done through sandblasting. While this high-tech ceramic is extremely durable, lightweight, and hypoallergenic for those with allergies or sensitive skin, if it falls onto a hard surface from a few feet or more, there is a good chance that it may shatter. Plastic. Watches made from plastic are suitable for an active lifestyle, as they are lightweight, durable, and water resistant to a high degree. Due to the plastic being such high quality, many of these watches are scratch resistant as well. Plastic watches could be a more cost-friendly material as well. Rubber. Soft yet surprisingly durable. Rubber watch bands are a great option for active people and are a prime option for those who dive or spend a lot of time in the water. Typically used with sport watches, rubber straps are affordable, allowing you to collect watches with a variety of styles and hues. Leather. When it comes to leather straps, the range and quality is vast. From the inexpensive imitating leathers to the high-price exotics, leather watches lend a nice vintage look to a luxury timepiece. Leather is available in many textures and hues. and a leather strap can be easily changed to completely update the watch. You can find everything from grained and smooth leathers to naturally vegetable tanned hides as well. You can either choose a basic leather or move into the exotic leathers, which include options for lizard, ostrich, alligator, shark, snake, and buffalo, and can be very expensive. The straps range in price based on the type of hide you select, as well as the way it is treated, the workmanship, the deployment buckle, and even whether it's padded or not. Leather is durable, but leather watch bands are not usually used on sport watches or waterproof timepieces because water can damage leather. The aesthetic of leather is luxurious and difficult to duplicate, but with a bit of care, leather watch bands will last for decades. Canvas. While not the most waterproof, a canvas strap can provide a bit more formality while still giving you the comfort of a nylon strap. There is even a type of watch band that incorporates both the leather and canvas material. It's created with a durable canvas material fused with a layer of padded genuine high-quality black leather on the back for flexibility and comfort. Also designed with matching stitching not only for the great look, but for a durable, long-lasting construction. Nylon watch straps are light, comfortable, inexpensive, and durable. They were developed for military use, and 007 himself has sported one on multiple occasions. These bands can be more comfortable than other styles of bands and come in a variety of colors. However, cloth watch straps can be dirtied easier. Like leather, fabric straps are not very water resistant and will stain and wear out over time if not cared for. Many nylon watch bands afford the wearer an additional layer of protection against loss. The design incorporates a one-piece loop that prevents a watch from detaching from the wrist, even if a spring bar breaks or pops open. Silicone is a synthetic material used to make rubber, plastics, polishes, and lubricants. Silicone watches have the ability to maintain its properties within a wide range of temperatures, so whether you're hiking to the ice caps in Greenland or exploring the lava flows in Hawaii, you'll never have to worry about ruining your watch band, as it is a very hardy material. They are not only cost-effective, but are also more stretchy and comfortable than rubber, not to mention very easy to clean in comparison with leather and cloth straps. The last on our list is PVC. PVC bands are made of a thermoplastic polymer. It is a vinyl polymer consisting of vinyl groups that are bound to chlorine. PVC lasts a very long time, but is plastic and isn't typically found on a high-end watch. As PVC bands are very durable, they will crack and break, just not as soon as silicone bands will. Hello and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like and check out our similar videos right here. If you want to stay up to date with the new and interesting content that we create, you can subscribe to our channel, which is linked right here. And lastly, if you need any help with your watch, make sure to go to our times-ticking website, which is linked right here. See you next time.